Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive Mitsubishi Montero automatic step by step. Place your foot on the brake, start the engine, release the parking brake, and confirm the dash shows normal indicators. Adjust the seat and mirrors for clear visibility, keep both hands at 9 and 3, and maintain a calm, controlled posture. Begin in drive, gently lift your foot from the brake, and apply smooth throttle to start moving. Shift smoothly and deliberately, keeping your foot on the brake until the transmission engages. When moving to reverse, check rear cameras and mirrors, then proceed slowly with short bursts of throttle. Learn the location of the gear release and manual shift mode for precise control. Use drive for normal conditions and select lower gears when descending hills or towing. Practice gentle inputs to reduce jerks and improve passenger comfort and safety. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control into your car prep routine and pairs well with hands-free driving setups. I noticed it kept my playlists ready and navigation audible while driving practice felt safer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When turning, slow down well in advance and steer with smooth, deliberate movements to avoid overcorrection. For parking, align slowly, use mirrors and the backup camera, and make small adjustments to center the vehicle. In traffic, keep a buffer zone and avoid sudden lane changes or hard braking. Always scan intersections, watch for cyclists, and be ready to stop. Practicing in a low-traffic area builds confidence with the vehicle's size and handling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.